So now let's see how we can work around with preformatted block inside of wordpress.com. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and press the plus button and type in preformatted right here just like this. And once I do that, you can see that this is what I have. So now what I can simply do is go ahead and type in something. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this is a sample sentence right here just like this. That I am typing for this tutorial video right here just like this. So now you can see that there is a certain classic look to this. You can go ahead and bold this out as well. You can italicize it, and as with any other text, you can go ahead and then change around, let's say highlight, turn it into an inline code and so forth right here. So if I were to go around over here for this particular text right here, so let's just go around over here. You can see that I can go around onto, let's say, settings for this particular block. And over here, you can see that I can go ahead and change the text color as I want right here, as I want, change around the background color as well, just like this. And you get this sort of a look right here for this particular text. You can go ahead and change around, let's say, for example, to large and medium right here, change around the typography and change around the padding for this particular text as well. So you can go ahead and change this out, and you can see that you got a block of preformatted text right here. You can change around the margin right here and so forth, and add around, let's say, for example, a border to this as well. So you get a certain look for this particular text. You can go ahead and change around the color of the border as well, and change around the radius of the border just like this as well right here. You can also go to advanced and you can add in HTML anchors if you want to, and you can also add in additional CSS classes if you want to right here in code level as well. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with the preformatted block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.